Fuck with low hill, put it through your catalog. Bitch, we are animal, nigga, we are animal. Fuck with R&B, we put it in your catalog. Just took up off the poach with a badass approach. You fuck with Roe, fuck with Demon, bitches cut dope. You fuck with Brian, fuck with Bo, bitches over for you. You fuck with Carter, fuck with Fader, we fuck your mother. You know it's double trouble. Live on a straight hustle. Bitch, I'll bust a bubble. Bitch, I'll bust a bubble. Bitch, I'll run in your house. Put it in your fucking spouse. Like niggas say one word, I blow her brains out. I'm really on that shit. I talk that real life. So if you fuck with my clique, I put it in your life. Y'all rep this shit. Y'all rep that shit. But fuck all that shit is RME, bitch. I rep that shit. Can't forget AWOL. Man, that's my little cousin, 17, a straight dog. Bitch, he'll bust a bubble. Bitch, I can sit down and watch my niggas eat on you niggas like Greyhound. Sniff you bitch ass niggas just like the Greyhound. So if you run, the niggas gon' find you, clown. When you head up in the tree or in your mama house. You in your mama house, you probably run your ass out. Oh, bitch ass nigga, get off your mama couch. You fucking around with the bone, what's that with you? Bitch, you trippin', you double, I'm a straight hustler. It's on my mother, the bone about that fucking trouble. That's 5 times, I did it with my straight hand. Man, I'm a dog, you the bitch ass nigga Taliban. Bro, what's out?
Yo, nothing. Yo, you heard my nigga, he talking about the Taliban. I switched the game up, toss it to my left hand, but y'all don't understand, gotta make it expand. Y'all niggas talking shit, but shit I'm in is playing. Yo, if the battery real low, I'm an energizer opponent, bitch, you know I can go. Take it to the max, I ain't really about that. You niggas talking shit, but shit, I know you cross the tracks, yeah. But my niggas make his money at my CEO. My niggas see, man, you know how we fucking roll. We all about this dough, we trying to make it last. Them niggas don't like it, tell them bitches, man, to kiss my ass. I got it all on camera, y'all niggas talking shit. I'm like Soulja Boy, my speakers go hammer, hammer. Yeah, roll. See, look. See, I got them on my team, nigga, they something like that. I got 8 niggas on my team, and each like that. They bring it just like that, nigga, you straight scared. We got that motherfucking red dot, put it on your head. How you do it? You niggas scared of straight to acting. Me and my niggas about to make you spin like Michael Jackson. R.I.P. Michael Jackson, you niggas acting. Man, you little niggas acting, my little niggas really packing. What you know about Jimmy? Young nigga, a dumb nigga, got that bang in the trunk, nigga. You playing games, you a motherfucking punk, nigga. If I no trouble, you a motherfucking punk, nigga. I say it loud and clear, you better hear me. 5 feet in wet, nigga, you better feel me. I got PT, nigga, and yeah, he's 6 feet. You niggas fuck around with us, R.I.P. You know we cut though, nigga, that mean no joke. That mean hope, that mean hanging from the rope. You know it's off the top, we off the fucking hole. I represent, I do this shit for my nigga K-Dog.
Me, man. I'm about to eat like I'm starving for fucking days. Y'all niggas know, nigga, crime don't play. The crime don't play, bitch, fuck with me. I got that click, nigga, RME. But you don't want it, man, my nigga on my side. You know I got that fucking 9, I'm ready to ride. We eat and we good, everybody in the hood. You know how we do it, yeah, real fucking good. Whoa, nigga, back, give me 50 feet. Y'all niggas ain't eating like these niggas eat. Y'all niggas know bone fatal niggas in this hole. Y'all niggas know I'm rapping solo, acapella. Y'all want it.